Yes, we'll talk about what the challenges, the work that we're doing, but what is also important is action points. Like after this conversation, then the what? Climate change is a symptom of a deeper problems. It's not just talking about the change of climate. No, it's rooted in all these other issues. If we are talking about a specific issue that is relating to gender and climate justice, we cannot leave the intersectionality, the body, the SRHR element out of it.
Sexual and reproductive justice is also at the same time climate justice, and that we are fighting for both simultaneously.
We know that sometimes the spaces are not open for these intersections, and we need to create spaces where folks can be safe and talk about these and explore and learn from one another. We also know there's intense backlash to both bodily autonomy and SRHR and to climate change work. And we're shoring that up and providing resources and space to come together. The diversity of the coalitions is absolutely crucial. We all continue to learn. It's about collectively constructing the messaging together and how do we amplify it.
Tenemos un enemigo muy grande fuera, ¿no? Y cuantas más interconexiones entre justicias, entre aliadas, entre defensoras podamos hacer, mejor. Tenemos que empezar a cambiar el paradigma de buscar todo eso que nos diferencia, que sabemos hacer también, y buscar las cosas que sí nos unen y ir a una, ¿no? contra o a favor de nuestros derechos, y empezar también a pensar en positivo, ¿no?
You need to be making sure you're talking about climate, you are looping in the finance element of it, you're looping in the SRHR element of it, you're also talking about the LGBTQ rights of it as a body, and making sure that we're creating a space that is to accommodate that conversation constructively. In this work, you need to find your own inspiration.